With the BMW Wallbox, you can powerfully charge your plug-in hybrid or fully electric BMW at home with up to 22 kilowatts. Make sure the Wallbox has been mounted and installed by an authorized electrician. The compact and robust Wallbox can be used outdoor and indoor. A wall mount and a cable holder are included. The BMW Wallbox offers an LED bar to inform you about its status. A permanent blue light means that the Wallbox is ready to charge. Plug the charging cable into your vehicle. Charging starts automatically. During charging, the charging status bar breathes slowly in blue. Unlock the vehicle to release the charging cable. Unplug the charging cable from your BMW, hang it on the cable holder to keep it organized, and plug it back into the BMW Wallbox. Please check the included safety guide for more basic product information. A QR code is available for further information. Furthermore, you will find the login data to use and download the service app. The Wallbox service app can be easily paired with Bluetooth and is there to keep your Wallbox up to date. Furthermore, it provides operational support for configuration and to restart your Wallbox if necessary. Additionally, you can adjust the brightness of the LED and download your charging history. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.